Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix login error of Instagram on iPhone. Now to fix login error of Instagram on iPhone, you need to simply follow the steps on in the video till the very end. So please watch the video till the very end and follow the step. Now to fix the login error of iPhone, to fix the login error of Instagram, you need to simply open the settings app on a device. So this is the settings app where you'll see options like notifications, general, and so on. So scroll down until you see the options of Instagram, click on it. Now there you'll see the option of notifications and so on. Click on it, and you may enable the option of background app refresh, which will help you to refresh the background app or the apps in the Instagram. If this helps, then that's good. If it doesn't, you need to simply open or long press on the Snapchat, and you need to click on the option of remove app, which is also uninstalling the app. So after uninstalling the app, you need to open App Store on a device and you need to reinstall the Instagram app, and after that it will help you to fix the login error on which is happening on Instagram. So that's it. That's how you can fix login error of Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.